smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring.
So I know this was supposed to be a vlog for my Zambales and La Union trip, but while I was editing, I realized I didn't have enough footage and I didn't have enough videos to make it into a full vlog. So namblema ako kung i-include ko ba siya sa ibang days, kung i-upload ko pa ba siya kasi kulang na kulang talaga yung videos. So Carl had this idea to turn it into a story time para at least makwento ko pa din kung ano yung mga nangyari, kung saan kami pumunta. And even if I don't have lots of videos, I have lots of pictures. And if you follow me on Instagram, I'm sure nabombard na kayo sa mga pictures na yun. But if not, I hope you enjoy this story time. Also, I just finished filming and editing content for prequel. That's why I'm wearing this kind of makeup. And sayang naman yung makeup ko, so I thought mag-film na lang din ako tonight. So we went to Zambales May 28 and siguro dumating kami doon mga lunchtime or after lunch na. So akala ko yung Zambales mga 2 to 3 hours lang, parang Batangas or parang Pampanga, ganun. Tapos hindi pala. Ang layo pala ng Zambales. Nung una, pinlano ko pa na ako yung magda-drive papunta doon. And girl, buti na lang talaga hindi natuloy yun. Kasi ang layo. So I'm not really sure if it was a resort or an Airbnb, but it was like a private compound for a big group. So mayroong pool, sa tapat lang siya ng beach, so sobrang accessible lang ng beach. And I think medyo private din siya since nung time na yun, kami lang yung nandun sa area. And then there were lots of rooms too. There was a kitchen, meron ding cooking place, meron refrigerator. So, kompleto lahat sila sa gamit. Which was great kasi nagluto lang din sila. Kumain lang ako. Nakikain lang talaga ako dun. And ayun, nasaya naman. So, when we got there, medyo gloomy pa yung panahon. Medyo maulan. Tapos, ang ganda ng beach, ang ganda ng sand. Dark yung sand niya, pero clear yung water, and sobrang lakas ng mga waves. And ayun, nothing much really happened during the Zambales trip. I think nag-enjoy lang talaga kami eating, drinking, and swimming dun sa pool, dun sa beach, and taking lots of pictures, syempre. And then the next day, before we went home, dumaan kami sa Subic to try out this one cafe called 727 Coffee. Sobrang cute nung place dun sa labas, pero I think na-renovate ata siya that time. Kaya, nung bumili kami, medyo masikip sa loob. Parang yung area lang talaga nung counter, and then may waiting area sa loob. But grabe, sobrang sarap nung cookies nila. Yung red velvet, s'mores, white chocolate, and I think dark fudge ata yung isang flavor na try ko. Sobrang sarap ng cookies and sobrang chunky. And then for the drinks naman, I tried their signature coffee, pero feeling ko hindi lang siya pasok dun sa taste buds ko. Kasi I like my coffee sweet, and it wasn't sweet enough. But I think if I go back there someday, I might try their other drinks. And ayun, yun lang naman. Wala naman ibang nangyari with the Zambales trip. So the next weekend, we went to La Union. So it was my first time there, gabi. Ilang beses na sigurong tinry pumuntang La Union and laging hindi natutuloy. Or ilang beses nang may nagaya, pero hindi naman natutuloy. So yeah, it was my first time in La Union and it was so much fun. Kaya hindi rin ako ganun masyadong nakapag-video. But let's watch it. So we're here at Urbis Tondo, La Union in this hostel called Creesante. So ang cute dito kasi parang ano lang siya, container trucks or yung mga container houses na ginagawang hostel. So later I will show you a room tour. Merong parang bar and restaurant sa baba nitong room namin and maraming rooms din dun sa ibang side. Ang ganda lang nitong lugar.
a sudden gaze, and time it started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on the moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
Order lang yung mga jowa-jowa namin. Naka-record na, di ba? Hi, Lance nga pala. Pero sana, cute ka today. After approximately 30 minutes, here's our food.
Welcome back to our LU.
Here's the gang. Kaway.
So after namin nakapag-settle dun sa room, after namin maayos yung mga gamit, nagpahinga muna kami saglit, and then for dinner, we ate at Kabsat, La Union. I've read a lot of good reviews about the place, and yes, masarap naman yung food, but it's kind of pricey. But if you're willing to spend on great food and yummy food, I think worth it naman siya. But next time, I really want to try to eat there during lunchtime para mas feel ko yung vibe ng beachfront. Hi! After that night, of course, we went for a tour, city tour sa La Union. Sumakay lang kami sa mga tricycle, so hiwa-hiwalay na tricycle para pumunta dun sa mga iba-ibang tourist spots. So the first place I think na pinuntahan namin is yung man-made forest. That's one of the well-known tourist spots in La Union. And then we also went to this lagoon. Sobrang fun nung lagoon, grabe. Wala akong video doon or picture kasi before you get to the lagoon, kailangan mo pang tumawid dun sa beach area. Medyo mababaw lang naman, pero ayun, for sure mababasa yung pockets mo. Next time, promise. Pag bumalik akong La Union, I will really vlog everything. So yeah, going back to the lagoon, grabe sobrang fun kasi pwede kang mag-dive from the cliff. So may dalawang level ng taas ng cliff, pero hindi naman ganun kataas, parang siguro 8 feet, mga 8 feet lang ganun. And ayun, sobrang fun lang mag-cliff diving kahit hindi naman yan masyadong cliff. Pero ang saya lang mag-dive kasi yung adrenaline rush nung pagtalon mong ganon, kahit saglit na saglit lang, ang fun. So after the lagoon, we continued with the tour. We went to Baluarte Watchtower and we took lots of pictures there. We also went to St. Catherine Church. And lastly, we went to Bato de Luna Art Gallery. So, sobrang cute lang ng mga places, and if you're really a first-timer in La Union, feeling ko ma-enjoy mo naman siya. So after the tour, before going back to the hostel, we tried this restaurant called Siwadika.
Hi guys, it's me again. So I will take over the vloggerus.
It's straight English only, no Tagalog or anything else.
No one syllable.
No one syllable.
So these are gang. And they just came from La Union.
Like copies.
My baby.
Wow, no English? No, they're black. Yeah, that's why we're English. Yeah.
Hi Reynalyn, pwedeng pa shut up?
So they have Thai food there, and sobrang sarap ng pad Thai nila. And Thai iced tea. Grabe, ang sarap. And then after the tour, we went back to the hostel and then we rested, we changed. And also, I wanted to talk about our outfits during that trip. Sobrang cute lang talaga. And na-convince ko na si Carl na mag-matching outfits. And if you know, sobrang camera shy ni Carl. Kaya sobrang natuwa talaga ako nung pumayag na yun. On the first day, we were wearing this. On the second day, no morning, we were wearing this. Nighttime or nung hapon na, we were wearing this. We took sunset pictures and sunset videos na sobrang cute. And then we ate dinner. And then, wala na. Namatay na siya. Enjoy ko naman yung 2 days sa La Union. Yung 3rd day lang talaga, sobrang sad ko kasi hindi ako nakasama sa falls and dun sa hike. Pero feeling ko good thing din kasi I'm not made for hiking. But it's okay. Marami pang time para mag-falls. Next time, baka hindi lang talaga siya for me. And that's it for the story time. And I hope you enjoyed this kwentuhan with me. Kasi na-enjoy ko talaga para nagkakwentuhan lang tayo, no? Thank you so much for watching. Bye! I don't know if I've ever mentioned this in any of my vlogs or if halata ba, but I am an introvert and I really have a difficult time making new friends or communicating to people, especially if bago ko lang silang nakilala. I think because of the pandemic. I think because of the pandemic, I developed a bit of social anxiety. So I really have a difficult time making new friends. And I'm also really shy. So paano yun? Shy ka na, introvert ka pa. That's why I'm very much thankful to Carl and his friends for making me feel comfortable. Kahit na nung una, hiyang-hiya talaga ako. Pero, ayun, I'm very thankful. Thankful!